Send, I'll send you बेटा वो टैब में है उसमें सेव है, I'll send you. Okay, degrees of adjective everyone. So first degree is called positive degree. Positive degree when one person is there only. Comparative degree 2 and superlative out of all. Okay. Now please write down the sentences. Then we'll discuss the answer. And this time we won't give you the word the. The आपको खुद सोचना है, ठीक है? Raghav, please write down. I thought कल आप सोच रहे थे नहीं लिखना. Key part. Your bag is dash then mine. And the last part of degrees of adjective is, this is one of dash questions of the syllabus. Option is important. Now get ready and please tell me answers. And online students also, please raise your hands one by one. And let me mute. Yes. Exactly. Okay, only 2 students are raising their hands. I think then they should speak only. Okay, Devang and Savya, one by one.
Yes,
She
ma'am.
is the laziest.
Okay, the laziest. Okay, Savya second. Jasmine third.
Yes, ma'am. You have a kind heart.
You have a kind heart. The laziest. Only the laziest. Okay, next one is Jasmine.
Is as clever.
As clever as a fox.
Okay, whenever as is written, you have to write the same adjective. Jasmine number 4 also. Then Vaibhav number 5.
Ma'am, number
This-
ma'am 4 is the most costly.
Most costly town. This is the most costly house of the town.
बेटा most costly नहीं आएगा, the costliest आएगा. Otherwise Otherwise, your idea is correct. Superlative degree आएगी, but most नहीं आएगा. Okay, Vaibhav, next one.
Your dog is gooder than mine.
What is the comparative degree of good? Devang?
Better.
Ma'am, better.
Yes, Vaibhav, good, better, best. Okay. Your bag is better than mine. Okay. Last one, Savya. Okay, Ruhani.
Ma'am, this is one of the most important questions in syllabus.
Okay. Most important question of the syllabus. So this is degree of adjective. Now 3-4 sentences of types of adjective. Yes, beta. That is optional, beta. You have a kind heart, bhi theek hai. ठीक है? Now next is type of adjective. There are 2 types in your syllabus. Please tell me. There are 2 types in your syllabus. किसी को याद है? ऑफलाइन बच्चों को याद है? सोचो सोचो. Two types of adjective in your syllabus. Otherwise तो वो 6 adjective अलग होते हैं. वो हम lower classes में करते हैं. In your class, 2 types are there. Okay, online.
Yes, ma'am. Attributive and predicative.
Attributive and predicative. Attributive and predicative. Attributive is the adjective that has noun with it. ये noun के साथ आता है और ये alone आता है. Attributive, predicative. Attributive comes with a noun. Predicative doesn't come with a noun. Now pick out adjective and then you will tell me the kind also. The old woman has pale skin. The old woman has pale skin. My mother is an independent woman. My mother. अब इसमें वो यूज जरूर होंगे हरमीत, वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव पोजेसिव. You have to pick them, but type इनमें से कोई एक लिखो. My mother is an independent woman. I study in the school that is reputed and popular. I study in the school which is popular and reputed. I like to read horror stories. And the last sentence is, my assignment is incomplete. My assignment is incomplete. Okay, you have to pick out adjective. Then you will tell me whether it is attributive or predicative. So again, I'm going to mute myself. Again. Like is verb better. Yes. Type. इसके बाद क्या लिखा है बेटा? Okay. Now anyone can speak E part. Anyone can speak E part. Yes. Okay, now raise your hands, everyone. Devang 1, Jasmine 2, Akshara 3.
Old attributive, pale attributive.
So old is the adjective, noun is written after it. Whenever noun is written, it is attributive. Again, noun is written. This is again attributive. Okay. Next one, please, Jasmine.
Independent attributive.
बेटा एक और है adjective.
My
This is again
also attributive.
attribute. Okay, Akshara.
Ma'am, popular and reputed predicative.
Popular and reputed. No noun is written after them, so this is predicative. Okay. Next one, please, Savya.
Yes, ma'am. I'm horror. Predicative. Sorry,
Savya,
I'm
horror.
attributive. Attributive.
Yes. Okay. Next one, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, incomplete.
Okay. This is
Predicative.
predicative. एक और है. Please pick out one
Ma'am,
more.
my.
This is
Ma'am, attributive.
yes. I hope now it is clear. Attributive and predicative. There are two type of adjective in your syllabus. If you haven't understood it yet, please ये लिख लो. इससे आपको hint हो जाएगा exam. Now next one is tense. उसके बाद back exercise. Tense के सिर्फ 5 question. Next topic. He usually dash simple clothes. She dashed my birthday party last week. He dashed his keys for 3 hours. Verb is search. Look. I think that's it. Let me see. Just do it. Cheerfully, cheerfully. Okay now, so get ready. Please raise your hand, find out your answers. And this time I'll ask you randomly, not order wise. Okay? Singular SES, exactly. Okay, next one, please. Harmeet, A part. Okay. Raghav, D part. Okay. Jitesh, F part. Last. Little bit difficult. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Yes, Harmeet. No. Okay, Devang.
Yes, ma'am.
This one.
Ma'am, second one.
C part, beta.
See, but she attended.
Okay. She attended. No time is given. When time is not given, simply write second form of verb. Okay. Next one is Jasmine. Jasmine, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First part. First part, Jasmine.
Have you ever visited Agra?
Have you with has have you have to use third form of verb. Have you ever visited Agra? Okay. Next one is Savya. Savya, last part.
Yes, ma'am. He gave me money. Ma'am, ये last word क्या है?
He dashed me money before leaving. Two actions are going
Okay,
on.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. He had gave me money before
Half
leaving.
correct. Half correct. He had gave.
Ma'am had given.
Yes. Whenever two actions are given, एक action क्या हो रहा है? Giving money. Second action क्या हो रहा है? Whenever two actions are given, जो पहले action हुआ है उसके साथ past perfect tense आता है. Whenever two actions are there, with the first one you have to use past perfect tense. Okay, well done. Next is Sarang. Sarang, can you hear me? Speak up, then I'll give you the sentence. Okay, Vaibhav. Vaibhav, B part. Second one.
He usually wore simple clothes.
Usually means many times. वो उसकी habit है. Habit में क्या करते हैं बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Second part.
He usually wear.
First form of
Wears.
verb and S or ES with singular.
Wear.
Usually wears. Okay, next. Yes, Adgun. Second last.
Look, everyone is dancing cheerfully.
Yes. Right now, this thing is happening, so you will use continuous tense, present continuous. Okay, last one. वही 4-5 बच्चे हैं, still again and again they just get okay.
Yes, ma'am.
वो mute
Yes,
और
ma'am.
video off करके बैठे हुए. Yes, Savya. Jasmine, Devang.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chehek is there finally.
And he.
Okay, anyone can speak D part.
He has been searching his keys for 3 hours.
Since or for means has been ing.
Ma'am, I have confusion between has been searching and had been searching.
बेटा अगर
Ma'am,
दो
तो फिर-
actions दिए होते हैं, see, he had been searching his keys for 3 hours, then he went to the office. अगर दो action होते तो had been आना था. If single action is there, then you have to write has been. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
नहीं search नहीं आ सकता. No, with been in tenses especially you have to use ing. Search डाल सकता है, वो active passive voice में आएगा. He has searched his keys. His keys have been searched by him. Okay, so now please open your grammar, no, literature books. We'll revise the back exercise. If you have literature books, honeycomb, yes. चितेश बुक दे दो, मैं बोर्ड पे लिख देती हूँ. You haven't filled it? Answers नहीं लिखे? Very nice. Please open your literature books, everyone. I'll mention page number here. At home, you have to revise those pages. So our first chapter is 3 questions. 3 question. Yes, page number 15, beta. Page number 15 and 16. Yes. बेटा ये आंसर आपने खुद लिखे हैं या क्लास में लिखे थे जब मैंने करवाए? चलो let's see. Now offline students are not having books, so okay, now not only page numbers, घर पे जाके रिवाइज कर. Okay, I'm giving you one sentence out of them and then you have to give me answer. हाँ हाँ जी बेटा, ये उसमें से. You have to fill in the blank with this word only, but इस word की form change करके लिखो. दोनों blanks में necessary word के related ही कुछ आएगा, but you have to change the form according to your just common sense of English. I'll ask you online students. Let me ask offline. बेटा ये just proverb है. Necessity is the mother of invention. So I have spoken answer also. आप पहले आंसर बताओ, then I'll explain. नेसेसरी वर्ड को दोनों ब्लैंक्स में फिल करना है, बट इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है. सिनोनिम लगा दो, कोई फॉर्म चेंज कर दो, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, एनीथिंग. नेसेसरी आना दोनों. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. यस. हाँ जी बेटा. It is not necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. ये एक proverb है, necessity is the mother of invention. जब लोगों को necessity होती है किसी चीज की, तभी वो कुछ invent करते हैं. This is the proverb. आपने शायद सुना हो, saying है, ये quotation है. Okay, so ऐसे के question आ सकते हैं. You will get one word and you have to fill in the blank with the same word, but by changing the word form. बट ये यहीं से आएगा जो बुक में दिया, आउटसाइड नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, ये बैक एक्सरसाइज है. सो पेज नंबर 15-16 यू कैन जस्ट राइट डाउन इन योर रफ नोटबुक्स कि कौन कौन से पेज करने हैं आपने. ठीक है. नाउ सेकंड चैप्टर. नथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन सेकंड चैप्टर. यस, द रिबेल चैप्टर. Page number 35. Page number 35. There are some of the antonyms. Let's revise all the antonyms. So first one is, antonym is the opposite word. You know that. What is the opposite of long? Long, short. Next, grow, grow. Huh? Grow, grow. Antonyms given on page number 35. Antonym क्या होता है बेटा? Okay, 5 words are there. 5 words are there. Please tell me. इसका तो चलो क्लियर है. उसके बाद ग्रो का, प्लांट ग्रोज, उसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? थोड़ा और सोचो. यस आद्गुण, शुभ.
मैम श्रिंक.
Ma'am, same shrink.
मैम कट और श्रिंक.
ओके, क्वाइटनेस और क्वाइटनेस.
डिस्टर्बेंस.
क्वाइटनेस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है. आंसर में भी शाउटनेस. Anyone can speak. I'm just going to.
Noise.
Ma'am, loudness.
Sober.
Ma'am, disturbance or noise.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Lost.
Found.
Found.
Okay, so these were the antonyms. Now next is Gopal and Hilsa fish chapter, page number 47. यहाँ पे क्रॉसवर्ड दिया हुआ है across down. You have to tell me those crossword. अब offline student you can't revise. Let me ask online. Yes, बेटा.
Gift of chappals.
बेटा उसमें नहीं है कुछ important. Leave it. Mother will be very dash if you don't go to school. सही बोल रहे हो. C से start है. Yes, cross.
Cross.
Cross means annoyed here. Okay. As soon as he caught dash of the teacher, Mohan started writing. As soon as जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो यहाँ पे है down. As soon as he caught dash of the teacher, Mohan started writing. बच्चे कब लिखते हैं? When they see the teacher. Exactly. Sight of the teacher. How do you like my dash kitchen garden?
Tiny.
चलो जी, पहले बोलो. Next, my youngest sister is now dash old.
Year.
Year.
Year old. Standing on the dash, he saw children.
Roof.
बस होता complaint करनी बार बार हर चीज पे. Standing on the dash, he saw children playing on the road. Roof. Yes.
Roof.
Standing on the roof, he saw children playing on the road. Don't make such a dash. Nothing will happen. अब आएगा. First
Use.
complaint. Last one is don't cross the dash till the light is green. Street or road.
Ma'am, can you send all the answers of the back exercises?
You haven't written, beta. Of this term.
Ma'am,
Of this term.
Oh.
I'll send you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो हमारे पेपर के एंट्री पॉइंट्स हैं मैम उसी में से एग्जिट होंगे, उसी में से एग्जिट वापस आएंगे.
Exit बेटा जब आपको छुट्टी होगी then you will be they will tell you side by side. अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे. ओके.
और मैम पेपर में वर्ड मीनिंग्स आएंगे चैप्टर से.
बिल्कुल आएंगे बेटा. हनीकॉम बुक से आएंगे, दूसरी वाली बुक से नहीं.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
बेटा पेज नंबर 78 also. Shivi, very nice. Last is 65. Okay, that's it. 65. 15, 16, 35, 47, 78, 79, 65. Revise these topics. Actually, I have